Very good morning, children. Sai Ram. So, welcome back to our online class. Okay, so today in our English class, we are going to learn a new chapter in active English. Okay, so chapter number 35. Okay, prepositional phrases. Prepositional phrases. So, prepositional phrase is a part of a sentence. Okay, is a part of a sentence consists of preposition and an object it affects. Okay, prepositional phrase is nothing but it is a part of a sentence. Okay, and it consists of preposition and an object it affects. Okay, and the object can be a noun or clause. Okay, and look at this table. So these are all prepositional phrases. Okay, these are all prepositional phrases. So it consists one preposition and a noun, right? On is a preposition, and here in is a preposition, and here with is a preposition. Okay, so using these we are going to form a sentence. Okay, using this table we are going to form sentences. Okay, children, and this is called prepositional phrases. Okay, prepositional phrase is nothing but it is a part of a sentence. Okay, and it consists of preposition and an object it affects. Okay, children, so using this table we are going to form 10 sentences. Okay, so we have to first write this yesterday I saw, and we can select any one from these and any one from these. Okay, and we are going to form 10 different sentences. Okay, write 10 sentences. Okay, so we are going to write 10 sentences. So shall we write the first sentence? Yes. Okay, so take your active English book. Okay, take pencil and eraser. Okay, and try to write. Okay, or you can copy down. Okay, children, just listen and then you can copy down. Okay, so first these are the columns. Okay, this is the table. So first the sentence should start with yesterday I saw, and we can select any one from these words. Okay, and we can select any one from these prepositional phrases. Okay, so shall we start? Okay, so first sentence will be yesterday I saw a man. Wait a minute. Yes, yesterday I saw a man on a bus. Shall we write? So the first sentence will be yesterday I saw a man on a bus. Shall we write? Yes. So first sentence will be yesterday I saw a man on a bus. Full stop. So the sentence should start with the capital letter, okay, and should ends with full stop. Okay, so yesterday I saw a man on a bus. Okay, so this will be the first sentence. Okay, So shall we write the second sentence? Yes. So let's look at the table. Okay. So the sentence should start with yesterday I saw. Okay. So yesterday I saw a woman in a car. Yes. Shall we write like that? Yesterday I saw a woman in a car. Okay. So the second sentence will be yesterday I saw a woman in a car. Full stop. Okay. Sentence should start with capital letter. Okay. So yesterday I saw a woman in a car. Full stop. Okay. So shall we try this next sentence, third sentence? Yes. So yesterday I saw a boy in a black dress. Yes. Because we cannot choose in a red skirt because he is a boy. Right? So we can write yesterday I saw a boy in a black dress. Shall we write like that? Yes. So the third sentence will be yesterday I saw a boy in a black dress. Full stop. Okay. So yesterday I saw a boy in a black dress. Okay, children. So shall we try the fourth sentence? Yes. So yesterday I saw a girl in a red skirt. Right? So yesterday I saw a girl in a red skirt. Right? So the fourth sentence will be yesterday I saw a girl in a red skirt. Full stop. Okay. So yesterday I saw a girl in a red skirt. Okay. So shall we try for fifth sentence? Yes. So yesterday I saw a man with glasses. Yes. So yesterday I saw a man with glasses. Shall we write like that? Yes. So fifth sentence will be yesterday I saw a man with glasses. I don't have enough space, children. Okay, so that I am writing like this. Okay, but you have to write it neatly. Okay. So fifth sentence will be yesterday I saw a man with glasses. Yes. So are you all writing? Yes. Okay. So we will go. So sixth sentence will be yesterday I saw a woman with an umbrella. Right? Shall we write like that? Or a boy with an umbrella, or a girl with an umbrella. Anything you can write. Okay? So we have to choose. So we have to start the sentence with yesterday I saw. And we can choose any one from these and any one from these. Okay? And we have to write the sentence. We have to form the sentence. Okay? So, yesterday I saw a woman with an umbrella. Okay? So, the sixth sentence will be yesterday I saw a woman with an umbrella. Full stop. Okay. So, sixth sentence will be yesterday I saw a woman with an umbrella. Okay. Have you all written? Yes. So, seventh sentence can be yesterday I saw a boy with the basket, or girl with the basket. Anything, okay? So, yesterday I saw a boy with the basket. Okay, so shall we write like that? So, the seventh sentence will be yesterday I saw a boy with the basket. Full stop. Okay. Yesterday I saw a boy with the basket. Have you all written? So similarly, you are going to write the other three sentences. Yes, will you all write? So you have to start the sentence with yesterday I saw. Okay, and then you can choose any one from these and any one from these prepositional phrases. Okay, and then you can make a sentence. Okay, so for example, yesterday I saw a woman in a black dress. Like that you can write. Okay, and you can write yesterday I saw a boy with glasses. Yesterday I saw a girl with an umbrella. Or yesterday I saw a man with the basket. Okay, or yesterday I saw a woman with the basket. Okay, or you can write yesterday I saw a boy in a car. Or yesterday I saw a girl in a car. So like that you can form sentences. Okay. So I have written 7 sentences. Okay. And you are going to write the remaining 3 sentences. Okay. Will you all write? Yes. Okay. Okay children. So complete the sentences. Okay. And study well. Okay. I'll meet you in the next class. Okay. Thank you.